Typed estimates got the map moving, but estimates invite arguments. So Alex spends a morning on the support floor with a stopwatch. In this lesson, one of those estimates becomes evidence, using the built-in time study. We're on Alex's assignment. The time study lives with the process map, so from here we open processes. The tab holding the SciPoc and the value stream map we built 2 lessons ago. Scroll past the map, and the time study sits directly underneath it. It starts empty because starting one is a decision. Which single step is worth a morning of somebody's time? Press Add Step, and pick the one to observe. Agent researches the issue, the value-added heart of this process, and the step whose typed estimate we trust least. Alex takes the observation herself, so every reading is credited to a named observer. The step is now in the study, waiting for readings. One reading would tell us almost nothing. Tickets vary, and a single stopwatch press can't tell you whether you caught a typical one or an outlier. So Alex times 5, each one a real ticket, door to door. The first took 22 minutes of work, after 95 minutes of waiting. The second, 27 minutes and 105. Ticket 3, 24 minutes and 98. The fourth ran long, 28 minutes and 104. And the fifth, 24 minutes and 98 again. 5 observations in the log, each credited to its observer, and each deletable if a stopwatch ever slips. Now the payoff. Use the average. And the tool asks first, because this overwrites the number on the map. Yes, use the average. 25 minutes of work, 100 of waiting. Look at the 2 deltas, 0.0 and 0.0. The observed mean landed exactly on the estimate we typed 2 lessons ago. The map didn't change, its credibility did. The badge on the step now reads average of 5 instead of typed, and up on the map the step is marked shadowed, so anyone reading it later can see the number came from a stopwatch, not a guess. And the readings stay. The tool says so plainly. This step's time came from its readings, so it stays in the study. Next lesson, the fastest way in of all. Bringing a whole existing workbook into the platform through the Excel import. See you there.